Hello, what are you doing there? Come here, sit here, come here. You are coming here for learning Python or for switch on? Sit here, stand up. What are the attributes of data frame? What are the statistical functions present in series? What is the difference between ILOC and LOC? Fan you will switch off. Sit down. Good morning, students. Students who are in the online. Am I audible? Okay, good. So active students. Are you feeling anything? Are you feeling? Feel. Not feeling. Switch off. నా కూలర్ కూడా స్విచ్ ఆఫ్. Otherwise, students will feel, sir need cooler, we don't need. So if you don't want, I also don't want. Are you feeling or not? Feeling. Feel. Not feeling. Completely no feel. Okay. So now I'll move to the part. So students, Sohal, sir, hi sir, we can't find the notes of NumPy pandas in Google Drive last 9th March onwards. Is it? Every day I am going to put the notes. Sohel is seeing always on the top of the symbol, I think so. My dear student, for you I am showing. Sohel, go to this place. I am the person which I will upload the notes daily. So uploading the notes is nothing but giving the good food for you daily. I'm serving the food and giving in the plate. If you don't eat, what can I do? And I'm only the one which I can just go for keeping the notes up to date. The moment when class is over, I will upload. Sohel, look at my dear student. See here, started on where? Beginning days, it was started on this place. Just a minute. There is one day we started with 12th, 13th, 14th. This is the beginning day started with. After that, 13th March, 14th, 15th, and then 15th. This is called what? 15. This is a March related. Without this is called February. I hope you remembered. This is called 16th February, 17th, 19th, 20th. That is coming in the bottom. 29th February over. 1st February started in the 1st March started there. 2nd March, 3rd March is Sunday. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th is Sunday. 11, 12, 13 here, 13. Sohel, look at ma. 13. 14 here, 15 here. That is yesterday 15. Today is 16. And don't look at on the top of it. Okay, now, Sohel, my dear student. So, I hope sharing link is not possible. You contact the admin can share the link. So, let us start discussing about this topic. Okay, go out of that. Now I'm going to enter into this place. Now I'll start with. So here, so giving the notes is something like what you know, like calling the function and giving the return gift for you. Explaining in the class and giving about what? Notes. That is the style of the faculty. So as far as my classes are concerned, I want to give the notes immediately. If I'm a sincere student, immediately download, writing the notes and practicing, I will become perfect. Okay. Anyhow, let me start. Today's class, we start with last class. What we learned? Difference between LOC and ILOC. Do you know the difference? You worked on it? Worked on it? Worked on it? Not moving the head. Stand up. Say correctly. Worked on it. Don't fold the hands. Why to fold? Sorry, your sir and my sir, everything is practiced. Really. Difference? Come in, come in. Sit down. Practice it well. Now I'm going to enter into the another part of it. Further, formula sheet I'm opening. We understand how to access the data, we got it. LOC we understood. And then ILOC, I just sent the formulas as it is for you. Might be you worked on it. Now I'm going to discussing today adding the new column to the data frame. That is our today's agenda. That is our today's agenda, and filtering the data also. So here I am writing pandas. I'm going to talk about, here I am talking about pandas, adding new column to the data frame. New column to the data frame. Already we learned how to add the data to the series object. I already said how to add the data. Did you remember? Remembered? Really remembered? Anybody says, sir, not remembered? I'll give you one small example also. By looking at you, 99.99% are thinking, if sir give an example, we'll feel much better. I understand your feelings, students. Those who don't have the feelings, I don't understand their feelings. If you have the feelings, I will understand your feelings. Is it same? Come on. Good. No problem. This is a syntax is available. This syntaxes I'll explain. No issue. Let us start understanding about how to add the column. Let me take one CSV file here. CSV file I am going to take. CSV file. I'm creating a CSV file. What is my CSV file contains? E and O. Next is called what you know? Name. Next is called what? Cell. Next is called what you know? Commission. Commission I am taking. Commission I am taking. Next I am taking what? Next I am taking what you know? C name I am taking. Company name I am taking. COMP name. COMP name. I'm just taking it. Employee number is called 100. Name is called Rosam. Sal is called something like 3.4. Commission is called something like 1,000 rupees. Something like you know 34.56 like this. And salary is called what? A commission is called what you know? 1,000. 34.56 means it's a number. I will write here what? 10.00. I'll write. Now I'm writing here PSF. PSF. Students in online, I hope my voice is clear for you. Is it anything breaking, dear students? Any breakups are coming in my voice? Sometimes. So morning also sometimes. Okay, let me go for it. So 200 here. Next is I am taking Travis. So there I am taking 23 point something 23. And this is called, you know, 15.00. And this is called NumPy. This is called a NumPy. And 300 I am taking. So I'm going to take it. So Kine, I'm taking here, comma, some 45.67. I'm taking it as what you know, 26.34, comma, pandas I'm going to take it. So pandas I'm going to take. Next to 400 I'm going to take it. This I'm going to take it as what you know, hunter. Next is called what you know, some 12.45, comma, 5.6. And next is called what you know, matplotlib. Matplotlib. Next is called a 500. Something like you know, Rajesh, I will take it as okay. Dennis. Now I am going to say 3.4, comma 1.2, 1.2. Next is called what you know, Bell Labs. Bell Labs. This is what I'm having the data. Let us save this. Let us save this data here. Let us save. I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take. In the same place, I'm going to store my data. What is my data? EMP dot employee dot CSV. Employee dot CSV. Employee dot CSV. Right? So No problem, Sayeda. No problem. Just now class is started. I'm talking today about adding new columns with the calculations and uploading, re-exporting, importing, etc. I'm going to say. So there I'm going to talk about first, just now created Sayeda. So saved this. On which name it is saved in? Employee. So under this data frame, employee just now created. This is my data. This is my data which is available. Are you following me? Just now it is available. Like this I am having. Now, dear students, this data I want to read from, read in where? Data frame. How this is also can be taken in my program as what? I can take in my first employee data, second employee data, third employee data, fourth employee data in the form of what? List I can take. List in list is called the same thing only. But list in list is going to be complicated. And that's why CSV files are most preferable. Okay, now? So let us go to the Jupyter notebook here. Let us launch the Jupyter notebook. See this carefully, students. So there I'm going to take up. Coming to this place. Here I'm going to say examples on adding new columns to the data frame, and that I'm going to take up here. So here I'm going to take up, students, as usual, import NumPy as NP. If I require that, I will use it. On the beginning only I'm taking. Import pandas as what? PD. Import pandas as PD. Let us get what data? Employee data set. Employee data set into what? Data frame. Okay. DF is equal to, I forget, PD dot read underscore CSV. Beautiful. Come on, Ma. I need to pass what? Absolute path. Where is my, this things is available? Employee present into this place. Correct or not? You get that address, guys. All these people. Get this absolute path. Here I will take up. Here I will write it. Slash what? Employee dot CSV. And you say double slashes. It's a better approach to go for like that. Now you print, what is this? Employee details. Employee details. Now I will print what? DF. I just printed like this, students. Now this is a data what is going to print. So I'm going to get this. Today, my interest is to print the total salary. Total salary, I want to go for it. Total salary I am going to take up. Is it a new column or not? Total salary. Total salary I am going to take up. How do you take this total salary? Is it a new column or not? But actually that new column is not there in my CSV file, right or not? So to take the new column, you have to take DF, our data frame. Already ENO is there, E-name is there, and next SAL and then company name, commission plus CMP name is there. Today I'm going to write it, new column. What is this now? TOT SAL. TOT SAL is equal to, I have to write what expression I need to write. Expression, or you need to write it directly what value you can write. Are you following? Now here I'm going to take syntax for adding what? New column. Syntax for adding what? New column. What is the syntax? Data frame object of what? New column name is equal to Either value you can write or expression you can write. It is your own choice. It is your own choice. Today, I want to add the new column called what? Total salary. How do you add it? Just to go forward, df of to that, to the above, to the above data frame, to the above data frame, to the above data frame. Add what? Add TOT cell, TOT cell as what? New column. As what column? New column. Come on, guys. How do you add it? df of TOT cell. TOT cell is a column name. You must write within the quotes. Beautiful. Is equal to, come on, value. What is the value, ma? df of cell plus ds of commission. Already you understand how to get this data. How to get the data? First of all, df of what? Cell. df of cell. You can get it. Correct or not? df of what? Commission. Commission. You can write it. Both of them will give you what? Cell column plus commission column will come. Sometimes you are having salary only, commission is not there. That time np.nan will be there. How to eliminate that np.nan? Fill value you can use. That time I will go for separate explanation I will give you. So today, go for what? You can place 0 also. 0 means what? Default value. See, first I placed it. Print of what? df. Print of df. What is the data printed? TOT cell 000 came or not? Now I want to place some expression value there. Either default value or directly here only you can calculate. Now, to add that, already total salary is there. Now compute. Come on now. Compute. What is the salary? TOT cell. Compute TOT cell. What is this TOT cell? df of TOT cell is equal to df of, what is this now? Cell plus df of commission, like that. But you take care. What is my things here? Capital. I'm writing here. Say this TOT cell is equal to df of cell plus df of commission. COMM. Print that df. Print that df. Am I getting my total salary or not? Some command students, 34.56 plus 10 is called 44. 23 plus this one is like this. 45 plus this one is this. 12 plus this one done. And 3.40 plus 1.20 like this. Now next level is what? Handling missing data, cleaning missing data, filling the missing data with some value. I'll take up that. This is very, very important. Are you following? Suppose you will get a inventory management case study will come. Inventory management. Inventory management means what? A person, Ravi Kumar, went to a shopping. He purchased so many products. Colgate is a component. Purchased 4 units. Each price is called 40 rupees. Total price is equal to, what is that? Quantity in hand into what? 40 rupees. Is it that total bill of that each item will come or not? What is that? Product name. Something is there in the class. Something other than student, something also learning Python. Actually, student will make a sound of what? Python, NumPy, pandas, data frame, series. Somebody made a noise, like that. Something is there. Other than student is there. So in other class, I have seen so many times they are making sound like that. But in my class also making means I cannot tolerate that. I know who made that sound. I can send out also. But learning other kind of things also, but Python learning is great, really. Actually, students will go to interview. Other than students also going to pandas interview means company people will wonder. Don't make that noise. Who is that nice mate? So come to the point. Making that nice, it is on the student. On the student, it depends how disciplined you are. Others did not make any nice. One student made that sound nice. One animal will make that nice. Be careful. Come to the point. Okay, shall we start now? Online students, am I audible? Here some small power interruption taken place. So in the power interruption, one of my offline student made some small sound. On the sound, I am taking some class to them. Okay, that's why small interruption. Right, my dear students, don't make that noise because I'm delicate, I'm sincere. You also be like with me. If you do extra things, reflexive, garbage collector will be ready outside. Come to the point. Are you understanding how to calculate the total? Now, this data, now I'm going to take up on this data. I want to find out some statistical information on it. Statistical information. How to find the statistical information? Describe of data frame object dot describe of. What is the describe of will give you max, min, count, standard deviation, 25%, 50%, 75%. You have to remember all these things. Get the statistical information on my data frame. The describe function works only on numerical columns, but not on string related columns. Are you able to follow? Well, did you understand how to add the column names here? Now, I'm going to get it. Now I'm going to get it. After this, how to export this data? How to export this data? This same data, I want to send it to CSV file or not? What is my CSV file contains here, you see? What is my CSV file contains? Only this part. I want to go for sending to what? Export. To send it to this place to the back to this place, I will write it to what? Now, export or what? Modify which file? CSV file. Which CSV file it is? Employee.csv file with which data? Modified data. Modified data. How to do that? To do this, to do this, to do this process, we use two CSV, two underscore what? CSV, two CSV. What is this now, mom? Data frame object dot, what is the file function name? To CSV, say what? Absolute path you need to take out. How beautiful it is. Come on now, df dot to underscore CSV, go to the place. What is the place of that? Absolute path. Take it. This is a don't disturb that file. Let it be the raw data as it is. Don't disturb the data set. Keep it on where? Some other file name. I will go to the same place. What is this now? Employee. I'll write here employee sal list, sal details, dot what? CSV. That's all. So here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. Double slashes. You need to take care. Not only in E, you can go to anywhere else also. In C also, D also, anywhere else also, no problem. But some proper path is required. Appropriate path is required. I am keeping in where? My place only. Employees list. Now I'm going to say printf of what? Employee C dot what? CSV file. CSV file with the modifications. Exported to what? New CSV file. New CSV file. Verify. See that. Employee.csv file with the modifications exported to new CSV file. Shall we verify? Yes, go there. Yes, go there. Ready or not? Yes. What is that? Microsoft Office Excel, comma, separated file. Click on that. Am I getting the total salary data or not? Total salary data I'm getting. How do you get the data back once again? You know how to read the CSV file again. So to get the data back, so come to the point of it, last and final. Now I'm asking, get the modified and exported what? CSV file. Same to same. In place of that, today what I will use, ma? Read a to a reader. So say here what, df1 dot, df1 of pd dot. Yes, exactly. pd dot. Super. pd dot and print what here, I'll say here, 50 with what is this now? Employee data. Employee data. Employee data. Print this now. Here you print this now. Inside of that you print what, df1. Print what now, students? Print of what? df1. So here I am getting it. Are you able to get it now, students? That's beautiful. Shall I go to one more example? Let us. I'm going to an important example now. So they will give you a small example to you. What is that example? They will give you this example. All of you carefully follow. Another example. After this small example, I'll go to this place. Be careful, guys. Something like some LST is equal to now I'm writing LST is equal to what I'm writing, or I will take like this, students. Here A colon 10 20 30 colon 40 comma B colon 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 C colon what I'm taking 1.2 comma 2.2 comma 3.4 and 4.5. This is my data. Are you following, ma? So ABC, A is called what? Column. A is called key. B is called key. What is this now? C is called key. This is called what? These are called what? Dictionary. I want to take it. Dictionary with what? List. So these are called what? List of dictionaries. Okay. What is this? Are you able to follow, ma? This is called a D. I can say D. Now see, ma, all of you. I'm converting into what here? Print of what? D comma type of D. So this is a dictionary I printed. Got the dictionary. You can see for key comma what? Value in where D dot items of print of key comma I'll say some arrow comma what? Value. So you got ABCs are keys and 10 20 etc are called values. I took equal values. If I take unequal values, you will be getting nans will come. Nans. I will take that nans related example in the further. Now converter. Now I will go for converter. Dict object into what? Into, come on fast. Data frame. Convert into what? Data frame. Come on, students. DF is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV of what? I will read underscore CSV now, students. Data frame of, yes. Data frame of what? D. D na? D only na? D. Converting into that. Come on, print what? DF. So we are getting this ABC values are there. Now somebody is asking a small question they will ask you. Compute the sum of A plus B plus C, they will say. In D they will say. Can you add now? What I'm expecting? One new column I am expecting on the name of what? Sum. On the name of sum. How do you do sum, please? If you don't tell, you are waste now. D of sum is equal to D of come on, D of A. Next plus D of B. Next plus D of C, D of C, D of, okay, good. D of, exactly, correct. DF of A, DF of B, DF of C. Print of what? DF, DF. Am I getting some or not? Yes. Now I got it. Now I want to calculate percentage also. Percentage directly. New column and expression I wrote it. Earlier I wrote a DF of total salary is equal to 0. Today I wrote directly what? Expression. Now I want to calculate the percentage. Some related percentage with a new column. Come on, I expect. Everybody. DF of what? Percent. Percent is equal to DF of what? Sum. Sum. By. DF of sum by. DF of sum by. DF of sum by what? 100. 100 into what? Come on. Into what? 100. What is the answer now? Print it. You are going to get it. Print of what now? DF. So you are going to get it. Percent also. Same answer will come. Where is the mistake? What is this percent? What is this now? I need to take this values. This values. Percent of this data. Percent also coming. How do you calculate the percentage actually? Come on. By what? Sum divided by? Correct answer only. You don't get any confusion. It is a correct answer only. See that sum is called what? Actually, total marks I calculated. Here, what actually saying? Suppose out of 500, you are getting what? 470, for example. 470 by 500 into what? 100. So that you will get the percentage what you are thinking now. But here, what is my data? 10, 1, 1.2. Total you got it. Total you got it. 500 by 500 you got it. 500 by 500 into what? 100. That is nothing but what you will get it. 100 is coming. That is nothing but 100% only coming. That is nothing but 12.2 total data is coming as this. As far as this is concerned, it is same. I am going to show you the next big example right now. Don't worry. Are you okay? Now, if you think that this data is allotted for what? 200 marks, for example, that time it differs. I hope you are following. If you think that this is called what, this is called 100 by 100 or something. Actually, this is for what? Total marks. If you go for something differs, you are going to get it. If you take it, for example, 200, you are say taking something. It is going to print what here, for example, DF. So it is going to differ, right or not? This is what we written is called 100% correct. I hope you are getting it. Now, suppose if there is given an inventory management is product code, product name, product quantity in hand, product price, and they will ask you total amount. Total amount means what you will do? Same column you will add, and you will find what? The sum of that particular column you will take it. Okay now? Now, further, I want to go for one more example. A biggest example I am going to take up. Look at this CSV file. Look at this CSV file. Hall ticket number, name, Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. What are the questionnaire on this? First question, obtain the top 5. Function name is head of. Obtain the bottom 5, tail of. Obtain the middle of them, index wise, row wise, they will ask so many questions. Will you answer them? Now, today my direct point is, I will read the data. Today I will calculate what? Total marks, percentage of marks, grading system, everything I will go for it. Let us start doing this process. I hope up to here it is going to be same. Now I am going to get it. Get 10th class, get the 10th class students data set into Where? Data frame. From which file? Student. I will upload this data to you. Data set also I will upload. What is the file name? Student marks 1. Student marks 1. Dot what? CSV. For you to work, I will upload this type of data set also for you. Come on, get it. df is equal to pt dot read underscore CSV, read underscore CSV of take that entire absolute path. Take that entire absolute path. There I am writing. Here I am writing student marks 1 dot CSV. Student marks 1 dot CSV. Take care. Now I am going to take care about this. Here it is written. And print what? Here I am writing backslash t. Student marks reports. Students records. Students records. Now I am going to take up. Print of some data here. Some data I'm going to take up. Of course, this is my data which I am taking. Print this data. Print of what? DF. And see carefully. This is my marks. Students, careful. I will upload this data set also, students. Don't worry. I'll upload, ma'am. Uday Shankar, I will upload. Don't worry. I will upload this. No doubt. Now on this data, first directly calculate what? Total marks. Come on, fast. Do that. Calculate. Third example I am giving on calculation. Calculate what marks? TOT marks. Come on, everybody. DF of TOT marks total or total. Simply total. Calculate what? Total is equal to DF of Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. Right? See, students. Come on, everybody. DF of Telugu plus, I will write it. 1 minute, 1 minute. Plus, next is called what? Hindi. So order need not to follow, students. What is next? English. So English plus next English spelling mistake. English. Next is called what? Maths. So here maths. Next is called what? Science. Science plus what? Social. So here social I will take. This is called social studies. Social studies. And this is just going this scroll bar. Scroll bar is not coming when I am giving this PDF file for you. That time just rarely that is going to occur, students. I hope I am writing something like this. Okay. Are you following, ma'am? Right. Display print of what? DF. Print of DF. So this is giving you what? Indentation problem. So that indentation problem is coming. That's why I will write here only. Are you following? I just took it in this place. If you want, you can take like this. You see this now. We are getting this. And you don't get confused. This plus, you don't get confused here. It's plus. This plus is nothing but what here. If I write plus in my PDF, when I'm going to give you, it is just going to give you what? Cutting that. That's why I wrote it here. Online students, I hope this you are getting it. No more confusion to get it. Is the total coming or not? Total is coming. Students in online, did you understand this? Now go to the total is coming. Now I want to calculate what? Total marks. Percentage I want to calculate. Shall we calculate the percentage? Yes. So come to this point. Now I will go to calculate the percentage. Now go to the calculate percentage of marks. Percentage of marks. Okay, students, I forget. DF of percent. Simply what? Percent is equal to. Very good. DF of what? Total. DF of what? Total. Okay. Total. I am writing total. By what? 600. Assume that each paper is conducted for 100 marks. 100 marks. I'm going to say what? Into what? Yes, 100. With that, what is happening? Dot, 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 some number of decimal places will come. I want what? Round to what? 2. 2 digits only I will round. Do you know how to round to 2 digits? Yes. See, students, here I am going to take a print of what? DF. I am saying, see that it is going to give you slash. Slash. I'm getting slash. Slash indicates what? Next line continued. Next line continued. In the same place, it is not coming. Space is not there in the Jupyter. So go to where? Percent. Percent. See, 6 point. By default, we are getting what? 6 decimal places are coming. But I want what? Only 2. Can I do that? Yes. Come on, how to do, students? There only I will do this entire thing. Here only I will do entire thing. With what? I will do what, you know? Round off. Round off. Comma what? 2. Super. Are you okay? This is a round off. One more I will do it. 1 minute. DF of this part. I think DF of this entire thing. Open one more. Close. Remove last time. Yes. Okay. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. Am I getting that with 2 decimal places or not? Yes. Now I want to go for, this is a actual percentage. Now I want to go for giving you some sort of what? Some sort of what I want? The grading I want to give you. Grading. Observe this data. Government is giving some type of what percentage calculation. I'll go for what? Some type of grading. If you observe this data, some sort of data is available here. 56 points, 46 points, some data is coming here. Some mass marks, etc. is going to be given here. Now I want to go for this data. What is the highest percentages we got it? I want to take up. Now I want to take up here. For the percentages who is getting more than between what? 700 to what? 100% to 75. It is called what? Distinction. Distinction. Between 60 to 75. What is this now? First 75. That means both of them are inclusive. This is inclusive because beginning this is. And this is called what? 60. More than 60. More than or equal to 60. Less than what? 75. That is called what? First. Next is what? 50 to what? 60 is second. Second. And 40 to 50. That is called what? Third. Third. If you want, you can do failing also. Failing also. That you can write if statement, you know, already in the beginning days. So if any one of the subject is less than what? 40, that student is called what? Fail. In the looping, how you used it. This I want to do it. That means I'm going to keep it what today? One grade I am going to keep. Extra I'm going to take grade. That grade I am giving by filtering my data. Are you following me? Filtering the data. Filtering means what? I am applying the condition and then I am updating. That is known as what? Filtering. What do you mean by filtering? NumPy filtering. NumPy filtering returns what? Boolean data. That Boolean data will pass to NumPy object. That will give you what? Result. Same thing here also. I want to find out. Shall we see now? Right. First of all, did you understand how to calculate the data? How do you add the new columns? How do you upload to the new CSV file? I'm coming to how to calculate the grade. Give me the time. This is for adding the new columns to the data frame. Come on, upload this back. Upload this back. How do you upload back to this? Now I'm going to take 2 CSV. 2 underscore CSV. I will take it. This I will take it. Export this data. Export this data. I'm going to take up. Here I will write. Here I am going to write it. Upload what? Export or modify which data? student dot what CSV with modified data. To do this, we use what? Two CSV pandas data frame. What is this now? Final result RES with the total dot final 10th class result. So what is this now? Student marks 1.csv with the modification exported to the CSV file. So this is done. Go back to this place. Is it final 10th class result coming or not? You open it. See, my dear students, is it total and percentage is coming or not? Very, very important. If you go to Power BI, admin Power BI development, you will come across. In data science also Power BI will come. In Salesforce, you take it compulsory. This type of pandas. Analytics and analysis. These days, many calls are coming. Many calls are coming. You can prepare a separate resume as a data analytical engineer, as a data analyzer. In that completely NumPy pandas only will ask. And they will touch Python also. Understand? So let us coming to the point back. How to go for next? What I will add? Grade I will add. To add the grade, I need to go for filtering the data I want to, concept I want to introduce. Is my concept is clear today? Tell me now. See, adding the new column to the data frame. Syntax you see. Data frame. New column is equal to what? Default value. 0 added. Data frame object of new column name is equal to what? Expression. So to add the data, I'll write a small description for you. To add the new column, to the data frame, we use the following syntax. That syntax I am going to give as it is. This is called syntax number 1. Syntax number 1 here. For the sake of the notes I am giving now. So here the syntax says what? Data frame object of new column. What is this now? Default value. This is number 1. Syntax number 2. What the syntax number 2 says? Data frame object of new column name with what? Expression. And examples, if you look into that, here I am taking the example. DF, you have seen the total thing. DF of English, DF of Telugu, DF of Hindi, etc. And percentage also you have seen it or not? This is about what? Adding the new column. Satya Gopal. Sir, based on this result, grade wise, can we get a pie chart? That is also called what? In my class, Matplotlib is there or not? If I show you that now, you will really wonder. Let us see. Matplotlib also I'm going to explain. So in my already classes that I will say, because I'm going to discuss in the class anyhow. So if you want one small thing, if you want, go to my existing batches, which is already done. Go to my backup place. So recently done. There is a Matplotlib. There is, go to that very recently. So here, somewhere else, go to this place. So there is a Matplotlib. In that, what is there? Pie chart. There is a concept called what? Pie chart 1. If you want, that pie chart also I'm going to explain. Look at that. I'll open it in PyCharm community. I'll run this Matplotlib class also. It is so extraordinary things which we'll be explaining in the class. So try to run this. So try to run this. See this now. One minute, students. It is, I need to go for separate installation and everything. Since Satya Gopal asked, now I'm going to show. See this now. it is going to show this type of data. Beautiful. Say this. You are getting the salary. You are paying 29% to the rent, 10% savings, 20% clothing, buying clothes, and 40% what food, because drinking thumbs up, posting, all those things. And extra drinking also you will do. I know. So you drink only coconut water and only water you drink. Other than that, if you drink, it will drink to you. Are you following? Satya Gopal, see that. This is called what? I just take a piece of it. Like apple piece, you take it or not? Like that. How to project it? That is called explode property, we can call it explode property. You can do your own changes. Thank you so much, sir. Very good. So, how to change these colors? I will explain all these things. Right now, don't worry. I will show you all these things. Here I see such a pie chart is taken here. Rosy brown, Macossin, light yellow, dark sea green. These are all. Is it necessary to remember all these colors? No need. How to remember these colors? I'll give you one color palette for you. Now, don't worry. Okay, now. So, Satya Gopal, don't worry. I'll explain all these things. Let us nullify this. Okay, now. Shall I move forward? Yes. Kevra sir will tell you everything for you. Everything I will tell you. Only thing is give me the time, because I have to teach everything now. You know our style of teaching. I'll make you wonderful, and nobody can touch in that area, even if you have attended so many years. That's, I want to win your heart. I already said daily I will say that word. That's why I'll come to my classes to take. If I come normally like everybody, there is no special meaning for me. I'll come to the class with intention. I'll explain everything. Okay, let us come back. Now I'm going to next. This is done. Next, I will go to one more thing. Come on. Data filtering and conditional change. Conditional change. Now I'm going to enter into this area. There are two things we are going to discuss once again. Look at. So I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up pandas. Pandas. What concept I'm taking? Filtering. Filtering. What data? Data frame. Data. Filtering data frame data. How to do this filtering, sir? Very, very simple. Now I want to go for filtering the data. There are two syntaxes are available. Filtering the data plus what also? Conditional update. I am updating between 75 to 100%. That is a condition. I want to update the data also. That is called conditional updation. First learn filtering. Later I will go for what? Updation also I will do it. Okay, now let's take. I'm going to take up. Slowly you try to learn it and understand and then move further. Now I'm entering into the new part. So I'm going to take up examples on filtering. Examples on filtering the data. Filtering, which data? Data frame data. Data frame data. Take one data frame data. Take one data frame data from previous example. I will take this example. First, a small example. Get this data. Get this data here. Go to this place. Here I am getting. And at the same time, I am keeping this for your future purpose to get this data quickly. And say what here? Import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Done. Directly run this example. Getting or not? Now I want to get it. I want to get the name of the employees whose salary is more than 10 lakhs. Whose salary more than 10 lakhs. Is it filtering or not? Come on. How do you refer first of all salary, my dear students? DF of what? Sal. Check cheskondilla. First you have the checking. First you have the checking process like that. DF of sal. Is the salaries are coming or not? Okay. After that, what you will do? Greater than. What is my data? 10.00. 10.00, which will give you what? Boolean data. Boolean data. Boolean array, you know, na? Now see, my dear students. What is that? True, 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 true. First one is what? Is it vector-based operation here? First one, 34.56 greater than 10? True. Is 23.23 greater than 10? Is 45.67 greater than this? True. Also true. And this is called what? False. If you increase it, you just try to increase it. What I'm increasing is something like, 20 you say, 20, for example. 20. What is this now? 3 truths and 2 false. Okay. This is giving you which array? Gives which array? Boolean array. Which array? Boolean array. Gives Boolean array. Boolean array contains what? True or false. Such a Boolean array pass to whom? Data frame. Very cool. Of what you see? Data frame of what? This data you pass it. What is the first entry of this Boolean array? True. Whenever you say true, that data will be taken out. Simple, ma. These are all the students. I took an interview. 50% of the people selected. Whoever selected true, 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 false, 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 true, 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 false, false, false. And you are taking that report to somebody. What they will say? When you get true, selected, false, neglected. True, selected, false, neglected. Are you able to follow? So try to run this now. What the data is coming? This Boolean array in turns passing to whom? Whichever entries are true, whose data displayed, whichever entries are false, whose entries are neglected. See the data, who is getting that? Is it more than that or not? First one is called what? 34.56. Am I getting the complete data or not? Next one is called more than 20, getting or not? 45.67 getting or not? Yes, other people are getting, problem or not? That means more than. Less than 20, I want to get it. Less than 20. Directly you write it. How do you write it? Less than 20. I am getting the Boolean array as well as getting their names. So see that I am getting other kind of data. Is it not filtering? Come on, come on. Yes. This is the one you are getting it. See that after this, I want to get only names of the people. Only names of the people. How do you get the names of the people only? I will write there what? Name. I'll get a name. Only names are coming. Only names. Get the names of the only names I want. Only names I want. I want to get names of the people who are drawing more than 20,000. More than 20,000. Names are coming. I want the names plus what? Salary also. Name, comma, what I will write it. Comma, what? Sal. I'm writing sal. I'm getting that data also, of course. Error. So I'm going to write it. So this you write it. Name and salary is coming. More than one column means you have to put it in the form of like that. Are you getting, students? Right. Like this, one can apply. One can apply. Now I want to get compound condition also going to come. Compound condition means what? More than one condition. In the beginning, simple condition, compound condition. All relational expressions are what? Simple condition. And compound conditions are what? More than one relational expression is there. Is it a relational expression or not? More than one relational expression I want. That time I will go for what? I will go for what? I will use generally what operator? And operator. But we should not use and operator. That is the physical ending. I have to use bitwise and. When somebody asks what is the use of bitwise and, I will tell the truth table of it. Bitwise and is used for set intersection. Bitwise and is used in where? Pandas level compound condition representation purpose. If you tell these three things, super you are. So now I'm going to take up. What is the next condition I'm going to apply? I'm going to apply the next condition as what? Something like this. What is my condition now? I want to get salary is more than what? I want to get the salaries whose details are what? More than 30 lakhs, more than 30, more than 30. And next is what? And this is what called one condition. First of all, you see, freshly I will write it. DF of what? Come on, Madhubabalu, come on fast. Cell. What I'm writing now? Get those employee names, those EMP names, and what cell, whose cell ranges, between, if you check it out, what salaries you want. This is my salaries data. I want to get the salaries between what? Between 10 lakhs to what? 25 lakhs. Between 10 lakhs to what? 25 lakhs. Who will come? Hunter will come. Travis will come. Come on now. Get the names and salaries whose salary ranges from ranges between 10.00 and what? 15.00. Come on. DF of 10 to 15 means what? Greater than or equal to what? 10.00. This is called one condition. Yes or no? One more I will write it. What you will write it? If you write under, come on. DF of cell. DF of cell. Greater than or equal to or less than or equal to? Less than or equal to 15.00. You will get a very big error. Very big error. See this. This is called one compound condition is applied. This is a compound condition is applied. See, a big error is coming. You cannot apply on this. Now I am going to apply. It is an error. Now I am applying what? See that now. This is the most important. This is the difference between and under. I already said in the beginning days only. Now this is a beautiful example. See students, who is this now? Sal greater than or equal to 10,000 and this one is getting. What are the values we are getting here? Print of DF once here. Print DF once. Print DF once and then check it out. Who is this now? 34 point. Greater than or equal to. And this is one. First one is what? False. Try to press once. Now is next one. 23. 23. What is this now? 23 greater than what? 10 lakhs. 15. False. Next. Is it 25 kadama? 25 you take it. My intention is to take 25. So our intention is to take 20 Travis also. Okay, na? With 15, if I take it, only one person is coming. Yes, my intention is to take that. Now see, 34 anyhow false kada? Yes or no? Next 15. This one, sorry, this one. 23. 23 greater than and 23 less than. Yes, true. Next 45. It is true, but it is false. It is false only. Next 12. True and then true. Yes, 3.40. False and other thing will not be done. This you pass to whom? Data frame. This you pass to data frame and get it. To whom you will pass? DF. Completely you write a DF. What a beautiful example. Done. Done. Got it. Who is that? Travis and Hunter got it. That's all. Any case study given, anything, they will give data set they will give. And you have to study the data properly. And you need to find out. Now I'm going to take up. What I want to get it? Get the employee names and salary. Only names and sal. Of what? Of what? Name, comma, what? Sal. Sal. Name, comma, what? Sal. Sal. Now I'm getting names and salaries. And one more frequently asked question, recently asked to one of the IIT students, Titanic data. Do you know Titanic data? Titanic ship. How many people survived? How many people dead? How many people injured? That data they are giving. That data also you have to study and they will give some queries there. You have to solve it. It includes any bigger one? Simple that is. Are you able to follow? Able to follow? Now I want to get the names of the people who is working in the company called NumPy. Now I am asking a question. Get the name of the employee. Get the name of the employee. Name of the employee Get the name and salary of the employee. Get the name and salary of the employee who is working in, who is working in NumPy. Who is working in where? NumPy. NumPy. Now I'm waiting for you. Everybody must answer it. See my data. See my data. Which one is, what is NumPy here? Company name. Company name. Come on. DF of online students. DF of CMP name. CMP name. Okay. Equal to NumPy. What is this now? NumPy. 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 Suppose they are giving something like a NUMPY, but my NumPy is what like this. I will convert into which case? Uppercase no, lowercase no, title, title, capitalize, title of everything explained. So I will write what? NumPy. I'll say NumPy, which will give you what data? Boolean data. Boolean data. See, only one person is true. I want to write it what? DF of, DF of. Pass the Boolean data. To that, I want to get it what? You see, this is a complete data is coming. I want from this what I want? Name and what? Salary only. These two only. How do I get it? Of what? Name, comma what? That's all. That's all. What a beautiful subject. Getting or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now, I want to go for finding total salary paid by the company to all the employees. Total salary paid by the company to all the employees. DF of, come on, what is that now? Sal dot what? Sum of. Sum of. What a beautiful subject. What is the average salary paid to every employee? Mean of. Mean of. This is called what? Total salary. This is I am applying what? Mean of. What is the average salary paid to every employee? On and average I am paying to what? 23.86. See, everything is there in your hands. Getting or not? Yes. So students, standard deviation, variance, I'll introduce separately about statistical operations on data frame. Easy or difficult? Filtering is easier, difficult? What is this condition is called here? Compound condition. What is this condition is called? Compound condition. This is known as compound condition. Which operator I am using? Yes. Here also I am using what here? This is called what? Simple condition. Simple condition. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now I am going to say last and final. Find the name of the employees who are working in. Find the name of the employees who are working in NumPy and Pandas organizations. Get the name of the employees who are working in NumPy and Pandas organizations. I'm writing here. Look at, everybody must answer it. Get the name of the employees. Name of the employees who are working in where? NumPy and Pandas. Pandas. Before that, you say here data frame. Are you remembering that? Print of what? DF. These are the things. I want to get it what? Travis and what? Kine. Other people don't want. Now I am requesting you to tell the answer. Get the name of the employees who are working in this organization. Come on, Ma. DF of, come on. See, see, DF of company name, company name, company name, double equal to, double equal to, double equal to, NumPy, 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 or a bitwise operator. Very good. Bitwise operator. Come on, next. Double equal to double equal to outside. Okay, correct. Outside NumPy, you will say this now. Next, I will write it. One more is what? This you keep it as one condition. One more condition is what? Like this. I will take up here. One more thing is what? Pandas. 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 This everything, keep it in where? This you take it. One is called what? True, true. Two truths are coming. That you pass to whom? Boolean array is coming. You pass to whom? df. df of, you just write it. df of, you write it completely. Everything is coming. Number, everything. NumPy pandas only. But I want to get it what only? Names. Names I want to get it. Of what? Name. Of name only I want to get it. Of name only I want to get it. Like this. Of this I want to get it only like that. If we want to get it for name in this entire thing, you write it. For name in this entire thing, you write it. Colon of, print of what? Name. Name I am writing. You say this like this. How beautiful it is. Simple or difficult? Very simple. With a for loop, with a data frames, etc. What for loop you learned in Python in front of you today is very little. And what you are seeing is totally ultimate. This is what you need. Correct or not? Yes. This you can do not only today with this, you can also use what? In operator also you can use. Membership operator also you can use. Membership operator also you can use. Are you following that? Membership operator also you can use. That type of membership operator you can use. Get the data frame companies. Is the company name is in where? Company name is in where? Look at. For C name. For C name. C name in where? In where? df of what? COMP name. COMP name. Are you following this? COMP name. df of COMP name. What are the COMP names are coming here? All these things. Let us print. Solution R I am giving. Solution R I am giving. Print of what? df. This is my data. How do you get the company names only? df of, I'm going to give you COMP name. COMP name like that. Now today what I'm getting? For C name in where? df of, beautiful. Print of what? C name. Super. Only C names. That is C names I'm saying. If C name in where? If C name in where? I'll say, what is this? NumPy, comma what? Pandas, pandas. What a beautiful. What is this now? C name, I will take it as what? C name related. That name is coming. That C name related what I want. I will take it immediately from this place. I will take company name. That company names are coming. Alternative to that, company name related C name I want. C name I want. So here, if I print only C name, that data is coming. Company name related employees I want. What I do is, 1 minute students, df of C name of, df of C name of, that is a COMP name, COMP name. No, C name we cannot write it. C name we cannot write it. Name you cannot write it. If I write a df of name, you will get everything printed. Everything printed. Everything printed. So, everything printed. You see, everything is printed. But we don't want to print everything. What do we want to print? Compared to that, C name I am getting. Plus, at the same time, I will take it as what? Name also I want to take it. What I do is, take this df of C name and this entire data. 1 minute students. df of What is this now? C name, COMP name, name, comma what? COMP name, COMP name. I'm just taking. Look at that. Actually, you got the solution. I'm showing you some different example. This is what I'm having. What I'm doing is, I'm trying to convert into like this. I'm trying to take up like this. Try to carefully follow. Now I'm taking some X, print of X. Now I'm getting what? Name, Rosam, and getting this. Name pandas, object company name, PSF, all these things are coming. Name and company name. You print this X. What is the type of X is printing? It is printing a type of what? X. It is going to print what? Dict object it is printing. You just say for NA comma CA, NA comma CA in where X. Print of what? NA comma what? CA. NA comma CA. Extra bracket. Dot items, yes. Items of, yes. Items of. So name, Rosam, Travis, etc. And the company name is going to be printing. In that, it is printing Rosam. In that company name, it is printing. In that company name is printing. Company names are printing. Okay. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. In this place, if what is this now? CA in. CA in where? CA in where? NumPy, comma what? Pandas. So, return. If that is the case, print of what? NA comma what? CA. NA comma CA. So, I'm going to get it. Value error. So, in operator. In is equal to. You say is equal to. Next I will write it. Or CA is equal to. I will write it like this. Total one condition. So also giving. So space. So here I am getting also giving. So this is giving a problematic code. So here with this, okay, ma. A name and things are taking corresponding to the name. Okay, let it be. Already we are up. That you try for it after going to home. This is okay now. Already I shown you two solutions. This is one solution. This is another solution. With another Python related code I tried, but I got some error here. You try for that. You try. Even I also will try for that. You also try for this. And don't get that it is not executed. Already we got the result. Are you following? Now next I want to go for online students. Try for that students. Now I want to go for next. Here we got one solution. Here we got one more solution. Two solutions enough. Next I want to go for updating the data. Look at our syntax. What is this now? Filtering. What is the condition I said? You can also go for what? LOC also you can take it. We got one syntax is what? Come on. Data frame of what? Data frame of what? What is that? Simple condition. Simple condition. Next, one more thing is what? Data frame dot what? ILOC. LOC also you can take it. ILOC. LOC also. You see inside of it. DF of maths. Is it a simple condition or not? That simple condition I am passing, getting what array? Boolean array. Passing to whom? DF dot LOC you can pass, or simply you can pass to DF. DF. So examples I will take up. 2 examples we can give it. As I told you now, in this example I am writing, and you can pass it what you know, DF of you can pass it. This is one thing. You can also use what? LOC also you can use it. LOC also you can use it. This also you can take one more example. This also you can take one more example. DF of, this is also one more condition which I applied so far. You can also pass to whom? LOC mechanism also you can use it. LOC mechanism also. Whatever you have done it, you can apply for what? LOC mechanism also. Same thing you take it. Here I am going to write it. Now I am writing. Here I am writing. DF dot what? Dot LOC. Dot LOC. Now I'm going to get it. Here I'm getting. So coming to this place, here I'm saying, enter this LOC of this bracket close or not? Bracket close. So unmatched. So here one thing, and I will write after that what? Name. First you see everything. First you see everything. This is the data. And if you want to get it what? Only name, you can get it. So get it what? Name. I'm going to take name. So I'm getting what? Only names. With a LOC also you can get it. With ILOC, how to get it? With ILOC, how to get it? With ILOC, of what I will write it? Of what? One. One. What is that one? Name. What is that one is called? Column name. So what is this now? Giving ILOC based on type. Integer is not available. Yes. Good. What is this now? Company name. What is the company name? ILOC of. Yes. We are getting what type here? Boolean type is coming. Boolean type is what? Bool type is what? Bool type data. I have to convert into which type? Int type. So I'm going to do what now? Int of. Int of. Int of. See that now. See that now. Can't convert the series to what? Int type. Okay, this is also one problem. It is also one problem. Here also, because this is going to give you what? Series of bulls. Series of bulls is coming. That is also one problem. So we are supposed to apply only what? LOC, but not ILOC. Because of the Boolean array, we got it. The Boolean array we got it is not a normal thing. Is called what? Series we got it. That's why we cannot apply. Last and final one attempt I can do it. Here I will do int of this, I will take it. Int of I will take this. And next of what this? Int of I will do it. Later I will check it. Also same. So let us cancel this process and try to take as usual with the LOC only. I hope you are understanding about what? LOC. And don't get confused. And LOC and attempting in all possibilities, nothing wrong. Because you will get what are the difficulties in getting the data. And no confusions to be getting here. Are you able to follow? Yes. Oh, able to get it? Now I am going to get it. Updations. So here you are getting. With this way you can get it. Or this way also you can get it. With this way you can get it. Or this way also you are getting. Now I am going to get it. Now I am going to get it. LOC also is there. And a compound condition related. This way also you can get it. With LOC. Without LOC also you are getting. DF of, you can say like this. This is the one. This is the one. You can get it. LOC, this part also. You are getting name and maths. You can get it. Name and maths. Here you are getting name and maths. I hope you are getting, students. So with LOC mechanism also, I got it. This is about what? How to filter the data. Why we are unable to use ILOC here? Because in ILOC level, true false is coming. But ILOC expects what? Integer values. But a series is going to contain index value. So all of a sudden you cannot convert Boolean values with indices into bool type. That's why we got the error. Only LOC we can use it. I hope you are following now. So, Ram Kumar is saying, my dear students. So, okay, my dear student, for certain things, I don't have certain answer. Ram Kumar, there is no doubt in that. So, for certain things, answers are not there with me. So, time only will tell the answer for that. Okay, let us move to the further. Shall I go for next filtering? Ram Kumar, don't worry about it, but adjust with all faculties. This is my advice. Because in your childhood days onwards, you adjust with so many faculties. And you came to my class. You also. Adjust with all of them. All fingers are not same. Some different will be there. Some is upper, some is lower, something is fat, something is lean, like that. We have to adjust with everybody. Okay, Ram Kumar. So I'm moving to the further. Huh? Listen the class. Go to the filtering now. Filtering is done. Now I'm going to do what? Updation. Shall we go for the updation now? Filtering is done. Filtering is done. Now we'll move to the data filtering and what? Updations on data frame. Very, very simple. Data frame dot LOC. What is the condition? Compound condition or single condition followed by immediately what? Column name. And you are writing what? Expression. Expression. LOC of what? Compound condition. Write what name? Column name is equal to what? Expression. So you are locating, you are doing that, you are located that. It is true. Immediately that column name must be updated with what? Expression which you are writing. So I'm going to take up the condition here. Try to follow me. DF of percentage. I will take that percentages directly. Can I take it now? So I'm going to take up updation part. I'm going to cover. Updation part I'm going to cover. So time is almost 10:48. Shall I continue today or tomorrow? Tomorrow. I felt that it is a 10:10. It is a 10:48. Just now I feel that I came to the class 10 minutes back. Are you feeling like that? Are you feeling that morning 6 o'clock you came? So, students, Faizan Ahmad. So after learning from you, we don't want to adjust with anyone else. Okay. My dear student, it is not like that, my dear student. So, Suresh. Okay. Now, Ram Kumar. Thank you, my dear student. Thank you. Faizan, my dear student. We have to adjust with everybody because in the society, a lot of people are there. Yesterday, when I'm going to home, in the high traffic flow, one student, I don't know, somebody, student, no, because I'm dealing with student, I feel that a student, somebody, there's a red traffic, red signal, and he is keeping that scooty stand he kept in the traffic. He put the stand and he put leg on leg and he's verifying the WhatsApp. Green signal came, he's not going, If somebody is asking, oh, go, horn is giving. He said, other way he is saying. Like that people are. And nobody is saying anything, just going in other way around. So like that people are. We have to adjust with everybody. That is called our society. So, Giridharan, we don't know how the time flies between 9 to 11 every day, sir. Okay. Okay. So, Akshay, happy weekend, sir. Okay. Shekhar, point out. Waiting for Django class, sir. Okay. So, okay, Naga. This is my request. What is your request, ma? Is it not sufficient with the Django class, sir? Okay. Naga, sir, could you please explain the data? Definitely, I said that. Definitely, I said. JSON, I will say. Excel file, CSV I am discussing. JSON also I will tell. I said already in the class. Excel also I will tell. Definitely I will tell you. So, my dear students, now I'll stop my class. I'll stop my class. After going to home, read my notes well. And next class when I come back, data filtering and updations on data frame I will do. Faizan, sir, what do you do at your weekend? If you don't mind, tell. Okay. Is it really needed? Okay. Since Faizan is asking, because KVR sir book, KVR sir is an open book for everybody. You can ask, sir, what you will do after this weekend and everything. I'll go to my home. I'll go to my home and I'll sit with the daughter and she's preparing for BitSat. BitSat she's preparing and IP exam second year and everything over. In JEE mains she qualified. I said I shared with you and she's preparing for BitSat. I will also sit with her. Small doubts. Of course, any small doubts will come in mathematics. I'll clarify. I'll sit with her. I will not go here and there, here and there, here and there. I'll sit with her and she's my everything. Yes. I'll not go here and there. I'll sit with her. So I will take at 4:30 to little out of my colony. I'll make her to drink a 5 ml of sugarcane juice or coconut water. Again, explaining something about this and getting to the class. Again, like that. You have to do. Okay, that is my weekend plan. So I already said in the class. Fine. So, huh? Okay. Naga is asking, no sensor. I already said to you, is it necessary? See, students, I have two daughters only. They are my everything. They are no sons, only daughters, two daughters only. Okay, now? Okay, students. Thank you, students. Huh? Vani, fathers always close to daughters. Okay, students. That is obviously. Thank you, students. All the best. డేటా సెట్ చేసి చాలా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. Kaggle.com ఉంటుంది. Abhijit Shinde.
Good morning, sir.
Abhijit Shinde, good morning.
Sir, can you please once open the file of adding column name to the data frame? Jupyter file.
Which one, ma? This one?
Yes, sir. Sir, from the starting, can you show it? Sir, please scroll down.
Still down?
Yes, sir.
This one, huh?
No, sir. That to read where we have introduced to read to what that. Sir, please scroll down. I will tell you where I have done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, sir. Up, sir. Stop in line number 9, sir.
Oh.
This up. Still up, sir. Yes, sir. This, sir. What is this unnamed in this employee data? This term unnamed.
This is what I got it. What I got it, that is going to be getting the same index once again. Unnamed means it is coming from this place. I will remove it because when you go to this place, this area, here you are having, I hope this one, you are getting
Yes.
this data plus
Hmm.
this is called what? Having this data in where? Index also
Yes.
written.
This.
That time I can
Okay.
write ignore index, I can say. This is coming plus data frame index is also coming.
Okay. Okay. This is okay. This is data frame index, and this is the column A.
Oh,
Yeah. Either we can rename the column or ignore it.
I will tell you that how to ignore it.
Okay, sir.
Right,
Thank you, sir.
right, guys. Next, Deepti. Deepti.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, mom.
Sir, at 4 o'clock you are having another batch. So if actually I want to do that Python thing, can I do that Python thing alone?
Python?
Only Python can I do in 4 o'clock
You
batch?
can do it, ma. You can do. Only Python you can do it. No
So
issue.
that will include this
Ah,
NumPy
num,
also, or
NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, everything includes.
everything is included in that in
Yes,
Python?
yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Right, ma. Next, Indusha.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Indusha, your voice is very low. And yesterday, last class you tried. I hope so.
Ah,
You did not succeed.
yes, sir. I tried. After the completion of pandas,
Hmm.
could you explain one or two data science algorithms, sir?
Yeah, I can explain, ma, but it is taking some more time. Data science, I can explain KNN algorithms, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement algorithms, decision trees. I can explain, but it goes to almost data science.
Only just one or two for sample,
We'll
sir.
try, ma. We'll try for it. We'll try.
Okay, sir. Thank
Right.
you, sir.
Okay. Okay, students, take care and don't miss Monday class. Very, very important. All the best.